Greetings. Welcome once again to the Anti-Semite Network. Years ago, visitors from another planet said that humans of Earth have allowed our technology to be more advanced than our spiritual. Spiritual means sin-free living. And this would be detrimental to humanity's well-being. Why is this? AI. The idea that advanced technology surpassing spiritual, sin-free development could be detrimental to humanity's well-being is based on the potential imbalance it creates between material capabilities and our moral, ethical, and spiritual sinless progress. When technology advances rapidly without corresponding development in our values and wisdom, it leads to several negative consequences. Ethical dilemmas. Advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and biotechnology presents complex ethical dilemmas. Without a strong moral and spiritual sin-free foundation, it becomes challenging to navigate these dilemmas responsibly. Disconnection. Technology sometimes creates disconnection from our spiritual, sinless life and emotional selves, and from each other. Technology sometimes creates disconnection from our spiritual, sinless life and emotional selves, and from each other. Excessive reliance on technology weakens personal relationships and our connection with nature and sin-free awareness. Misuse of power. Technological advancements leads to significant power imbalances, both among individuals and between different groups or nations. Without strong ethical and the use of God's commandments as guidelines, there is a risk of misuse of power, leading to conflicts and exploitation. Loss of purpose. As technology takes over many aspects of our lives, there is a risk of losing our sense of purpose and meaning of living sin-free lives. Sin-free moral development guides us toward a fulfilling life that goes beyond mere material success. Destruction of the environment. Technological progress without sinless growth leads to overexploitation of natural resources, pollution, and climate change. A sin-free connection with the earth encourages respect and stewardship. Balancing technological advancement with sin-free ethical development ensures that technology is used in a way that benefits humanity as a whole and aligns with values such as kindness, goodness, and respect for life. Erosion of privacy. Advanced technologies such as surveillance and data collection erodes individuals' privacy and autonomy. Without a strong ethical and sin-free commitment to protecting these rights, the consequences for personal freedom and society can be severe. Dehumanization. Excessive reliance on technology leads to a loss of human touch in many aspects of life. For instance, relationships suffer as interactions become increasingly digital. A spiritually sin-free, grounded society values human connection and emotional well-being. Social inequality. Technological advances lead to greater social inequality as those with access to advanced tools and knowledge gain significant advantages over others. Ethical and spiritual sinless considerations promote fairness and equal opportunities for all. There's a loss of cultural identity, a loss of cultural identity. Rapid technological change lead to the erosion of cultural traditions and practices. Sinless growth involves valuing and preserving God's righteousness through commandments which become one's heritage and identity. Alienation from the self. Alienation from the self. As technology becomes more intertwined with everyday life, individuals lose touch with our inner selves and sense of identity. Spiritual practices can help guard individuals and provide a sense of purpose and direction. Potential for destruction. Unchecked technological development, especially in areas such as weaponry, poses a risk of catastrophic consequences for humanity. A strong moral and spiritual sin-free compass can guide the use of technology for peace and safety. The key to mitigating these risks is to foster spiritual, sin-free growth alongside technological advancement. This balance can be achieved through education, awareness, and the cultivation of values such as compassion, humility, and respect for life. By aligning our technological capabilities with our moral and spiritual sin-free principles and practices, we can create a more just, equitable, and sustainable future for us all. Peace.